channel. Muskan this side, and I want to welcome you all if you're new to this channel. And on this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, self-development and so much more, and I want to welcome you all. So I have been getting a lot of questions on my Instagram as to what is manifestation, like what the term manifestation actually means. So I think I should have made this video a little earlier, but then never mind. I would be explaining the meaning of the term manifestation in the simplest way possible. So yes, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you need to understand that whatever it is that you're doing right now, or whatever life you're living right now, if you're not happy with it, if you do not have that soulful connection with your life, you do not have to live the life the way you're living right now. You are powerful creators, absolutely capable of changing realities, shifting timelines, quantum leaping. So if you are in your life and you're not liking your life, it is absolutely all right. Make changes in your life. Now coming to manifestation in simple terms, it means your thoughts becoming realities. When you are thinking about something, when you have a particular thought about something, and when that thought actually comes into your physical reality, that's what we call as the thought manifests itself in the physical reality. That's what manifestation is, when whatever it is that you're thinking about actually come here in your 3D dimension. That's what manifestation is. Now I want to take you back to class 5th or 6th, when we read in science that everything it is which we can see with our eyes is made up of atom. So according to quantum physics, whatever it is that I'm saying here is backed up by science and is scientifically proven. Whatever it is that you can see here is made up of atom, and when atom is broken down into smaller particles, what happens is 0.1% is actually matter, while 99.99% is energy. What does this signify? It signifies that we are living in an energetic world, that you are energy, that I am energy, and whatever thing it is, for example the laptop, the chair, the table, everything is energy. And since everything is energy, every energetic being vibrates at a particular frequency. That means I am vibrating at a particular frequency, you are vibrating at a particular frequency, whatever thing it is also vibrating at a particular frequency. For example, the remote, the laptop, the table, the chair, everything is energy, and hence everything is vibrating at a particular frequency and at a particular energy level. Now what does this mean when I say that things are vibrating at a particular frequency? It simply means that when we are vibrating at a high frequency, we are feeling all cheery and happy and excited, and we are basically in alignment with what it is that I want. I'll be coming to that thing later, but for now understand, when I say that we are vibrating at a particular frequency, we are vibrating at high frequencies and we are vibrating at low frequencies. High frequencies is when you're feeling good, you're feeling cheerful, you're feeling excited, and low frequencies is when you're not feeling good, when you're not feeling cheerful, when you're feeling sad, disappointed, upset, and all those emotions. This is what frequency and vibration is, right? Simple. Now what happens is, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can just be transformed from one being to another being. When I say it can just be transformed from one being to another being, I mean is that at times what happens is when you are with someone who is always cribbing about life and who is not good about life, and you feel that his aura and his energy is not good, what happens is, while talking to him or after talking to that person, you might also feel not good. You might also feel low at times. You will also feel like यार उससे बात करके ना मेरे को ऐसा हो गया, मेरे को खुद को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. You might feel at times. So what happens is, what is happening here is energy is transforming. Energy is transferring from one being to another being. So yes, energy can just be transferred, and it cannot be created nor be destroyed. Now as I said, everything is vibrating at a particular frequency. I am vibrating at a particular frequency, and the desire, what it is that I want, is also vibrating at a particular frequency. For example, if I want a dream car, my dream car is also vibrating at a particular frequency. Now if I want to manifest my dream car in my physical reality, what I have to do, I simply have to match my energy with the energy of car. So basically I will have to vibrate at high frequency. I will have to be in high vibe and in high energy so as to match with the vibration and the frequency of my car. And when this matchmaking happens, that's when the thing, whatever thing it is that you want, actually manifests in your real life. Actually, actually comes in your 3D dimension. When you are vibrating at high frequency, you are actually living in the present moment. You are actually living in the now, and when you are living in the now, in the present moment, in the right now, you are least resistant to what it is that you want. And when you are least resistant to something, to your desires, to your goals, that's when the thing actually manifests. So what happens is, at times we get stressed, or get this anxiety about future, or maybe past, but about the thing that has already happened, or about our future, or basically anything. So when you are actually having those emotions of stress, of anxiety, of restlessness, I want you to flip it jaldi se, because you are not in the present moment that time pe. When something is bothering you, you are not living in the now, and when you're not living in the now, you are being resistant to your manifestation. Now what happens is, a human being in a day can literally have more than 60,000 plus thoughts. Yes, a human being can literally think of more than 60,000 plus thoughts in a day, and it actually becomes difficult for us to have a control of these thoughts, because obviously if there's positive thoughts, they are definitely going to be negative thoughts. So question might pop up in your head, like, as to how to control these thoughts, and if the negative thoughts might manifest or not. I leave an I button here, and you might watch the video as to when you're feeling negative, what to do, like while manifesting, what to do if you're feeling negative. So yes, coming back to our 60,000 thoughts, every thought is not going to manifest, because I want you to understand that wherever attention goes, energy flows. If you are constantly focusing on one thought again and again and again and again, that's when the thing is actually going to manifest in your life. For example, if I out of nowhere thinks about an elephant coming here in front of me, so no, that thing is not going to happen, because this was just a random thought which came in my thought and which just passed by. But if I were to think about that elephant again and again and again and again, that's when the elephant would actually come in front of me, or I would go somewhere where I'll see an elephant or something of that sort. So I want you to understand that if you're focusing on one thing again and again and again, that thing is going to grow. So you have to be cautious here. If you're thinking about a negative thing again and again and again, the negative thing is going to grow, and vice versa. Same thing goes with the positive as well. So with practice, you would be able to master that flipping of thoughts and switching of thoughts. That is absolutely all right, and that is what you have to do when you have those negative thoughts. Flip those thoughts, switch those thoughts, practice affirmations, and the rest. So yes, this was it for the video. Before wrapping up, I want to let you know that we have this Telegram community where all of us uplift each other, motivate each other, and solve each other queries, and that is free to join. If you want to join it, you're more than welcome. You'll find the link in the description. Number 2, I have this ebook written by myself about Beginner's Guide to Manifestation. I have written everything, again, like affirmations, basically everything I've covered it. So if you want to buy it, you'll find the link of that ebook again in the description. And yes, if you like the video, make sure to like it, comment it, share it with your friends who need the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This is Muskan Mehra signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.